1. Conscious awareness. 1. Look in the mirror to check your posture. Make sure your shoulders are straight and your head is upright. Especially when you do a desk job, you need to make your waist and back comfortable. To achieve this, you can buy yourself a comfortable chair. Buying an average quality office chair will do the trick. 2. Fitness. You can strengthen and stretch your back through fitness, and your posture will inevitably be much better than before. In addition, fitness and regular physical activity provide versatile and profound benefits on your overall health and quality of life. 3. Professional help. By getting professional help from a physiotherapist or chiropractor, they can create special posture correction programs for you. In this way, the programs will correct you, if you comply. You can also have regular massages to reduce muscle tension and encourage correct posture. This is a method that helps you relax and correct your posture.